Hey fam, what's good? What's good? I hope that you're all well and keeping safe. I hope that you all had an amazing day. So today we should see some clear price action on this beautiful pair called the Nasdaq. You know what? I am looking for some beautiful long opportunities, right? We can see that, hey, we have a first touch, second touch, right? We had a closure above. We came back for a nice little tap inside this region, right? And now currently we are seeing somewhat of an actual bullish momentum, right? As I told you guys, once we basically have an actual break above a descending trend line or ascending trend line, in this actual example, descending trend line, break above, retest, right? You wait for price to come back inside the high of your trend line. Okay. So I also had this actual area in mind, around about this region right there. Right, I also had this area in mind. So I might find myself going long from this region and you know what, long from this region over here. So let's just wait for some beautiful candlestick closure. Let's just wait for some beautiful candlestick closure. Right, basically found this beautiful bull candle over here. Right, let's just see 3 minute. Okay, cool. 2-minute time frame. We're gonna find ourselves going long. We're gonna go long on this beautiful pair called the Nasdaq. We are long. Buy. Right, so we are long on this beautiful pair called the Nasdaq. Right there. Clean. So all now we are literally waiting for is for price to push to the upside, right? 1530, obviously 1530 will now give us a beautiful you know what, push when it comes down to, you know what, volatility whatsoever. More volatility will be pushed inside the market with the New York Stock Exchange open. So hey, all I'm now doing is literally just wait. Clean. We have a nice push. We have a beautiful push to the upside. 15 minute we are looking quite nice. 15 minute looks nice. Right, a closure above this region over here will basically be extra confluence that, hey, now we're going to find ourselves having a further continuation move to the upside. Right, we can see on the 15 minute, if we're going to look at this actual trend line, first, second, right over there, we can see that price never came back for that actual retest. So, you know what, over the course of the New York Open, what we can find ourselves doing is, you know what, potentially come back into this actual trend line and then only have an actual further continuation push to the upside. But I'm not too concerned about it. Right, look at this as well. Low, higher low, right? So this actual higher low over here basically told me that, hey, our actual bears are currently struggling to push price towards the downside, right? Our bulls is trying to step into the market. So you know what? Now we are literally just riding out price. Now we are literally just riding our price and see how we're gonna find ourselves closing. Can we have a closure above? We have run about, say, 2 minutes left for this candle to close. So let's see. Right, so now I've given you guys an example of how to find yourself. Well, this is basically like the first example as well, right? Price is creating a lower low. We need some sort of an actual pullback, right? So the first actual example was also something quite similar to this, right? Second example was basically an ascending trend line, how we find ourselves trading on an ascending trend line. This opportunity over here is basically both, right, from an actual market creating that actual lower low. Now we find ourselves having a break out of this actual trend line, right? So all we want to find ourselves doing, well, seeing now is literally this price reaching into these highs, and that is literally it. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button, guys. I'll highly appreciate it. Hit that like and hit that subscribe button. I will highly appreciate it. Right, 40 odd seconds left. 40 odd seconds left. Let's see. Keep in mind, we also have some buy side resting above this region. right? So after taking out some buy side, we can expect some sort of a pullback, right? Keep it simple. Keep it simple. So let's just wait out this beautiful, beautiful trade. Guys, listen, for you guys, it may seem like, you know what, I just randomly found myself just executing price on an actual bull candle. No, it's not randomly, right? There is certain criteria which I found myself looking at before making the actual decision whether I want to find myself going long. Keep that in mind. Okay, keep that in mind. We are literally just reading price. And if you guys would like to learn this, put it in the comment section. In the comment section, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. If you would like to learn this, hit a thumbs up. All right, clean. So I'm gonna find myself rather monitoring price on my 30-minute, right? Just to not be focusing on too many noise on the lower time frame. So hey, if we can find ourselves closing above this region on the 30-minute as well, you know what, this will be a great indication that hey, now we can find ourselves having a beautiful push to the upside. We are risking 15 pips to gain 30 pips, right? A beautiful 2-to-1 ratio. Beautiful 2-to-1 ratio. Looking at these lows as well, we can see that we are currently creating some sort of a double bottom formation as well, right? Double bottom formation, these are one of the patterns that are basically you know what, changing market structure. All right, fam, so we do have less than 1 minute left for our 30-minute to close, and 15:30 kicks in, right? Volatility kicks in. Let's see. Let's wait and see. We have 30 seconds left, right? 30 seconds left. Let's see that takeoff. A takeoff. Right? Let's see that beautiful takeoff. Nice. Let's see that beautiful takeoff. Guys, keep in mind, like, I use all my time frames from my especially like during the week, right? I basically use my daily time frame to be like, okay, cool, are we gonna have like some sort of an upwards momentum, or we're gonna have a downside momentum, and we're taking off. Take off. I'm gonna complete my thing now. My sentence, I'm gonna complete it now. Let's go. Close. Bang. Clean. TP to the T. Right? So I basically use my daily time frame as a directional bias, right? Whether we're gonna find ourselves having a bullish candle, whether we're going to find ourselves having a bear candle, right? And then my H4 time frame downwards, this is basically where I find myself, hey, how am I going to find myself, you know what, approaching price intraday, right? How am I going to find myself looking for some buys? How am I going to find myself looking for some beautiful shorts on this beautiful pair called the Nasdaq? Once again, guys, don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe button. If you would like to learn, hit me with a thumbs up in the comment section. I will highly appreciate it, right? I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. It's me, your boy D, and I'm out.